the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, led by Arvind Kejriwal, they called a special session of the Delhi Vidhan Sabha. In this, a very important resolution was passed. By this resolution, the gazette notification passed by the central government empowering the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung was undone, was rejected. This now puts the whole controversy in a different context altogether. So, let us see how the Government of India, the central government, reacts on this development. In yet another resolution which was moved in the special session, the powers to impeach the Lieutenant Governor were sought by the Delhi Vidhan Sabha. Now, this is a very interesting development. As of now, the governor, the Lieutenant Governor, is appointed under Article 155 of the Constitution. The power to appoint the governor and to remove him lies with the President of India, which is indirectly the central government. In fact, the Delhi government is now insisting that the power to impeach the Lieutenant Governor should vest with the Vidhan Sabha. In fact, this brings out an important anomaly in the Constitution. The Constitution does provide for impeachment of the President of India. This is as per Article 61 of the Constitution. But there is no such provision for impeaching the Governor or the Lieutenant Governor. So, this power is being sought now by the Vidhan Sabha. In case this resolution is passed, I think the matter will come up definitely in the Parliament. So, let us see what happens. In this case, I must mention here that the power or the issue of the impeachment of the governor has been discussed for a long time. It was discussed initially by the Sarkaria Commission, which was appointed in 1983, and later by the Justice Jeevan Reddy Committee. They all said that the provisions relating to the appointment or removal of the governor, they need to be amended. So, I think it is about time that this amendment is brought about. If the President of India can be impeached by the Parliament, I am sure a similar impeachment of the governor, should he violate the Constitution, this power should be there in the Vidhan Sabha.